We're here at Akihabara at another hard off. Whoa, look how many PS3s. PS4s, I mean. It's like around $100. $100? Oh, interesting. But look at the prices for it. That one you get for like $300 on eBay. And it's a lot more here. Something down. Cool. Battery died. Everything's super expensive here though. Super expensive. Look, almost $200 for that. No, 175 for that Game Boy Color. No, come on. But I do like the section that it's like the oh look, last store. He was like, hey, he was like, okay, I paid $16.50 for a PS4 controller, and here they are, $2,200. Cool. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna get that nunchuck. 3 nunchucks. Yeah, 300. $300 is, I'm guesstimating like $1.50. So nunchucks for $3.50. I'm all in. Mario Kart Wii. Yeah, so cool. Is this the wheel by itself? Yeah, I think that's the wheel by itself. Or is it the game with the wheel? No, I think it's the wheel by itself. Pretty cool to see though. GameCube. Oh, isn't this cool? Nintendo floppy disk. What the hell is this? Baseball. That's a piece of history I'm willing to pay $7 for. Famicom. I'm like a little kid right now. Tennis. Baseball. Junkie title. Another junkie title. Okay, Super Famicom on that drum boy. It's funny. Not that big of a fan of Super Nintendo. Shocking. Konnichiwa. Oh, passing that. Really cool. Cell phones, laptops. Old tech. Ooh, look at you. How you doing, buddy? It's like $150, and just by itself, you're smoking fucking crack, dude. Smoking the good crack. Wii U, the failed system, like $100, or less than $100, more than $75. Yeah. PS3 for you can get these for like $40. Sucks to be me right now. There's a section called the junk section. That's where I got a bunch of cables in the other store. Subwoofers, headset. Well, that headset is like $100. Crazy. Oh, $3,200, $200. Not terrible. I like old cameras too. For the right price, of course. Alright, let's go to the junk. Ooh, is that a gimbal? No, but it's similar. $40. Junk. Downstairs. Let's go. Let's go to junk. Let's go to junk. Junk, 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 junk. Junk, 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 junk. They call it junk, but they just... Sorry. It's like untested things. PSP games. Ooh, 64. Here we go. Here we go. Of course, sports games. Mario Tennis for $7. Soccer for around $3.50. Mario Tennis for $7. What's this? Man, I was really hoping for like a Donkey Kong or something cool like that. Should I get Mario Tennis? $7? I think I should. It looks clean. I mod my 64s to play Japanese games. It's just the little pegs that you have to break off. Game Boy games. It's cool to see Game Boy games, you know? Game Boy Color. Bowling. Let's see if we can find like a Tetris or something cool. I'm pretty sure they're well picked. Well sorted through. Especially this area is very touristy. Cool stuff. Video games. Nada. Oh yeah. So I just bought 2 controllers. $16.50 was the price that I paid. Same price here. That's cool. Untested. So hopefully they work. Super cheap because I bought fake ones for like $20. So why even buy fake ones, you know? Here we go again. Junk drawers. Ooh, you see what I see. Man. Oh, this is so fake right here. PS3. I don't know, it doesn't even have the S. It's just P3. This is what I need. This is kind of loose. It's around $7.50. So man, they're selling these for like $40. But look at this. I'm taking all of these, man. Yeah, power supplies. Oh, for these, you have to read how many voltage, because Japan uses 100 volts and America is 110, and I heard that these could overheat. If you guys don't know, it's for the Nintendo 64. I have a bunch of these from Japan. Yeah. Nintendo. Okay, what's this? Oh, I think that's a Game Boy Advance charger. 800. 800 is like $6. Something like that. I don't have it, so I was gonna leave it. Alright, cool. Yeah, I heard that this cable for the original cable for the GameCube is expensive. Wheels? Are these nunchucks? Yeah, they are. Wowzers. Wow. Here at Hard Off, if they don't have a price, these do have a price though. But it's like $2. $2 for a fucking nunchuck. And they sell for like $20 with so I'm gonna get a few of these. Just PS1? No, PS3. Interesting. 1600. No, I don't need this. $550 for the PS1. Interesting. Alright, I'm gonna dig into this hell of a mess. I love seeing junk. The Wii, I think these are geo-locked though, right? $7 for a freaking Wii, guys. $7 for a Wii. As a matter of fact, I need just this door. Just this door, I need it. Because I have a Wii for sale. God dang it. And what if there's a bonus disc in there? Anyway, I need this door. Should I just get it for $7? If it's $7, probably not, huh? You have to be quiet in the subway, but it's super packed. Rush hour. Actually, this is a little bit after rush hour. Imperial Palace. Beautiful. Look at that. The hustle and the bustle. And then we go across the street. Boom. Here's the bridge by the Imperial Palace. And to be honest, I just forgot the name of it. The main gate and the Nijubashi Bridge. That's beautiful. Cool. You pause it and watch the video if you want. So that's where you can change the language. Has your thing, gives you your balance. Go take it. Subway's really simple. Instead of remembering, I know it looks intimidating, but instead of remembering all those names, right, just remember the color. The color. Right now we're in C10 and we have to go to C4. So therefore, you gotta catch that one. C10, C4. Sometimes you have to go over the bridge and catch it on the other side. Like this train, the one on this side on track number 2 goes from C10 to C20. That's not the one we want. We want the one that goes from C10 to C1 on track 1, which is on this side. So it should be coming shortly. I use Google Maps. I use Google Maps for directions. And it's pretty accurate. Oh, and the times, they're always on time. All right. So when you see the yellow signs, these are the exits. If you're going to a specific place where it goes, oh, Imperial Palace, exit C1, sorry, exit via 1, then you go this way, because that's the way to the Imperial Palace, right? You even read the names up top. It says Imperial Palace up there by the escalator, right? But if it tells you, oh, go to exit number 4, you go that way. So Google Maps shows you. Oh, actually, let me show you guys.
The local train bound for Yoyogi is arriving at track 1.
Track 1, that's us.
Please wait behind the yellow warning blocks.
So I'll say, look, enter via 2, right? We're actually making a transfer. But look, exit via B2. That's for the other train station, not here. But anyway, it will say B2, and you just follow the sign. Super easy. You don't have to remember like the street names, or actually the garden is pretty nice, but you don't have to know the language, you know. I've maybe used Google Translate twice because I wanted to see if the peanuts had salt in the back. That's it. Pretty cool. And the train is here, so I gotta go. Oh, and it's 10 a.m. right now, so it's still a little bit of packed. So on the bottom it says the numbers 9876. We keep following those signs where it says like B1, B2. So we're exiting B2 because Google Maps said so. And we're just across the Shibuya Sky. Go! Oh my god! Oh my god! We're gonna crash.